I'm Mrs. Colombo. I'm one of the reading teachers at HFB. Before we have that assembly, we thought it was a really good idea to go over assembly expectations. At assemblies, I will respect myself by staying in my seat, and I will represent my class and school well.
So while somebody is performing, you want to have your eyes up on the stage and make sure that you're not touching anybody next to you, not kicking the back of anybody's seats, and making sure that your body stays respectful and watching.
I will respect others by listening and watching. I will use appropriate applause. So, maybe round of applause.
When the performer is performing, we want to make sure that we're listening, that we're not talking to the people next to us, and that we're reminding people next to us maybe don't talk if they are, that you're trying to watch. And then at the end, we're going to clap.
I will respect my surroundings, and I will sit appropriately to show that.
And you want to make sure that your feet are on the ground. They're not touching the seats, because remember, a lot of people sit in these seats, so we don't want to get them dirty with our gross shoes. And that we are not touching the people in front of us or turning around and touching the people behind us. And same thing for the people behind us, that they're not kicking our chairs, so that we can be comfortable and ready to watch the assembly.
Peace out, All-Stars!